Today I'm installing Goldenwrench Blackline engine cap covers. I'll be installing covers on the coolant caps, the oil cap, and the windshield washer fluid cap. Let's take a look at the cap covers. Each cover is CNC formed from T6 aluminum and anodized with a race-inspired red color to complement the stripes found on the factory engine cover. These are the coolant cap covers. This is the oil cap cover. This is the washer fluid cap cover. The install is simple. Apply the provided double-sided tape to the underside of the cap covers and then press the covers onto the caps. On the lower coolant tank, be sure to line up the arrows when pressing the cover on. Install the oil cap cover the same way. Use the double-sided tape and press it onto the oil cap. The stock windshield washer cap doesn't get a cover, it actually gets replaced. Remove the stock blue cap, seat the O-ring on the new cap to make sure it seals properly, then install the new cap.